Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I used to watch these kinds of videos all the time, like summer going into 9th grade into 10th grade. Like I watched so many college videos, it's like not even funny, especially because I haven't watched like any recently, but I knew that when I was applying to colleges, I had to make one of these kinds of videos. So that's what this is. So the next little clip, like the next little bit, I'll have my actual reactions to like opening up all the decisions and stuff. And then the second half of the video, which will start like, I'll put the time slot right there. I'll talk like through my decisions and how I decided on where I'm attending next year. I got an email from Loyola that says I have good news. We're excited to welcome you to the Loyola community. Woohoo! Did they give me any money? I earned the presidential scholarship, which means $25,000 a year. That's a total of $100,000. Okay, so I submitted my WAN application last night, and now I keep getting emails from them, and I think it's my admissions result. I'm trying really hard not to look at them, so we'll get my reaction. I got into Wayne State. Not to be annoying. I kind of expected it just because of the colleges I have already gotten into. I'm surprised it's so early because I literally submitted my things at like midnight last night. Oh, I got into the honors college. Yay! Oh god, here we go. I haven't even looked at the email because I feel like it's gonna say that, oh, sorry, didn't get in. All right, your application decision is ready. Thank you for your interest. Reviewed. Unable to offer you a place in the class this time. Okay, I've been deferred. That's okay. It's not a no. It's not a no. It's not a no. It's not a no. Alright, I just got my email from UChicago saying my decision is out. Like half a month sooner than I was expecting. We regret to inform you. They're unable to offer me a place.
Oh.
I'm not that surprised, but I'm still very disappointed. Well,
I'm sorry.
Also, I just realized I don't have a video of me opening my state email because it came so early on and I wasn't expecting it. I just got an email that my Case Western Reserve University application has been updated. View update. Thank you. I've been deferred.
Ah!
I just got an email. My U of M application thing got updated. I'm in! Yay! Congratulations, Ava.
Okay, good.
I'm admitted to LSA. Dang, okay, now I gotta actually decide where I'm going. Yeah. So, I applied to 6 colleges, and I'll work through like the order I ruled them out and why I ruled them out. Okay, first one, obviously UChicago, because I unfortunately did not get in, which was really disappointing, but I think it's working out fine. The next one after UChicago that was ruled out was Case Western because I was deferred and then I didn't reapply because I just like after being deferred I was like there's other colleges I can go to. I actually got an email from them the other day that was like, oh, you're actually on the wait list. And I was very surprised because I never reapplied to the school after being deferred, but somehow I got put on the wait list. After those first 2 schools, Loyola was the next one that kind of got like written off my list. I really liked Loyola and I really liked the idea of being in Chicago, but Loyola is a very expensive school compared to all the other schools I'm applying to. Like, all college is expensive, but Loyola is like 3 times more expensive than the other 3 colleges I was applying to. So even after receiving the $100,000 Dean Scholarship and I got like a $4,000 grant or something like that, that still didn't cover the tuition cost enough to the point, like the cost, that much more of a cost just didn't like pay off in my mind compared to my Michigan schools that I got into. So Loyola was the next one off the list. Then from there I had 3 left. I had Wayne State, Michigan State, and University of Michigan. and the next one I kind of ruled out was Wayne State. So I applied to Wayne as more of a safety kind of school because I was paranoid I wasn't going to get in anywhere else. And it is a very good school, and I definitely would have enjoyed going there, but it was kind of more of a backup school. After I got into State and I was still waiting for my U of M decisions to come out, I was kind of just thinking, I was like, regardless, I don't think I would choose Wayne over State or Michigan. So I was like, okay. So from Wayne, I got the Dean's Scholar thing. That was like $2,000 a year, and I got the Warrior Scholarship, which was $6,000 a year. So it was $8,000 a year total for them, which does cover a huge chunk of their tuition, but I just felt like I would get more out of the college experience that I wanted at State or Michigan, even though Wayne was a bit cheaper. But it wasn't even that much cheaper because of room and board. So it just wasn't as good in my mind. So then it came down to Michigan State and U of M. I got into State. It was the first college I got into, actually. And when I applied, I wasn't super interested in this school. I kind of applied because it was free, and I was like, I might as well apply. And then they sent me all this stuff about being in the honors college, which I was really very interested in, and I applied for Distinguished Scholar competition, which I didn't get, but I did end up getting like a decent amount of scholarship money, especially considering it's State, and I feel like State is known for not giving out any money. I got the honors college scholarship, which is like $5,000 a year, and I got a Michigan residence scholarship, which was like $1,500 a year, plus another grant, which was for the first year at least. So yeah, I actually got a decent amount of money for State, leaving State and Michigan to be about the same price for if I got into Michigan. And then I got the email that I got into Michigan. So then I was like, okay, now I actually have to decide. The biggest factor I'd planned on like deciding college on was money. However, Michigan and State ended up being basically the same amount, so that wasn't a factor that I could really like play with. And then me and my mom drove around the Michigan campus. We drove up there. I really liked it. I really liked the campus. On the way there, I was thinking, I was like, you know, we drove around the State campus. I can't really see myself going there, but it's probably a me thing. Like, I probably just can't see myself going to college anywhere. And then we got to the Michigan campus, and I was like, I can see myself walking around here going to class and stuff. The big turning moment was I was like, I think that if I were to go to State, I could see myself regretting not going to University of Michigan. But if I go to University of Michigan, I don't think I will regret not going to State. And that was like the big moment. I was like, okay, so I guess I'm going to University of Michigan. As of this moment right now, I paid my enrollment deposit thing, so I am like officially in University of Michigan. If you have any questions, like comment down below, I guess. Like, I like to talk about this kind of stuff, so you can ask me any kind of decision questions and I'll try and answer them. And stay tuned for more college stuff probably, and also music stuff, because I'm working on some stuff with that. Thank you for watching!